Welcome all you Zontes maniacs. If you would like to donate to the channel, there is a PayPal link in the description. All donators will get a shout out on the start of new videos. It takes a lot of time to bring you this content, so let's dive in. ZT703R2 handle switch function usage tutorial as shown in the video. Click the power switch to unlock the vehicle. The high beam switch is toggled inward by finger to turn on the high beam flash, pushed outward to turn on the high beam constantly. The button with a triangle icon inside is the emergency hazard light button. Pushing the button to the left activates the left turn signal. Pushing it to the right activates the right turn signal. Single-click the middle button to turn off the left and right turn signals. As shown in the video, the button controls the high beam, low beam, and daytime running light switches. This switch can only be controlled when sitting in the vehicle. The white button is the seat lock switch and the horn switch. Press and hold the mode button to enter the shortcut menu, scroll up and down to select menu options, and short press to confirm. Long press the menu button to enter the instrument function settings interface. Long press to enter the instrument menu. Scroll up and down to operate the instrument pages. Short press to confirm.